This video demonstrates how to calibrate for PTSA on your SP-910 multi-parameter colorimeter. To complete this procedure, you'll need Pyxis PTSA 100 ppb calibration solution, available at pyxis-lab.com/shop. Power on your SP-910. Then navigate and select the calibration icon. Then select PTSA. Slide open the shield and insert a sample vial of DI water. Close the shield and select Continue. Next, insert a sample vial containing 100 ppb calibration solution. Close the shield and select Continue. A calibration success message will appear, and your SP-910 is now calibrated for PTSA.